Imoyo, also known as fresh fish soup. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make a fresh fish soup. So let me ask you this question, when you see fresh fish, what comes to your mind? Let's get right into it. In a pot, you go in with your oil, and after that, you go in with your pepper mix. Note, my pepper mix is pepper, tomato, tatache, shombo, also mixed with onion, ginger, garlic, and a little bit of turmeric, all blended together. Then after that, I cover and allow it to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. The moment it starts to boil, I go in with my bay leaf to help its aroma. Then I gently stir. All the ingredients you need to make this soup are so easy. You can easily get them and they are available everywhere. After that, I go in with my seasoning cube and a little bit of salt to taste. Then I gently mix one more time. After that, I cover and allow it to steam properly. I'll allow this to boil for another 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. Then I open and I turn. Then after that, it's time for us to go in with our fresh fish. It's all clean and it's well properly washed. Time for us to go in with our fresh fish. One by one, I just go in with the fresh fish. After that, I make sure all the fish are properly covered with the soup to help boost the taste of the fish. All the fish, make sure it is well and properly covered with the soup. Then you gently stir together so you don't break your fish inside your soup. After that, I go in with my sliced onion. So the ingredients that you need for this soup is your fish, your pepper mix, your oil, a little bit of bay leaf, and your onion. This is me vibing in my kitchen, and this is how to turn your fish. The moment you put your fresh fish in your soup, this is how you do it, so your fish doesn't end up breaking inside your soup. After that, allow it to boil for another 3 to 5 minutes, and this is what we have. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Will you be trying this recipe? And note, you can match this with any soup. For example, your vegetable, your egusi soup. You can also pair this with okra or wedu. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.